going to be doing this is going to be like a the game volume. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys, but I really want to hear me. I'll turn it back on after I'm dead. My Minecraft Pocket Edition Let's Plays will be uploaded every 3 days. I may do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or Tuesday and Thursday. Depends on what I feel like. Or I may just upload them whenever I do. And then you guys can't get mad at me because I'm still uploading them. Oh. So we made it 1,000 meters. I'm going to play a few more rounds. And I'll turn back on the volume. Okay, sweet. Unlocked a weapon. That's what I want to save up for. Okay, let's play. So I need to make it to like that pole. That's when I know I made it. Oh, I need the gun because I really like guns. Not that I'm going to use it right away, guys. I like to use it when I need to clear my path. I've played this. I just downloaded it, as you can see, guys. I re-downloaded. I had my iPhone jailbroken, so it got restored and all that. Doesn't mean you have to restore it when you jailbreak it, if you do. Which I totally recommend. It makes it faster. This game is so laggy for me before. Crap. Oh, crap, guys. That was close. Oh, guys, I want to talk to you about some other Let's Play that I made. I'm going to be doing Temple Run 2 for sure. Temple Run 2 is guaranteed. That is Red Zombie. Oh, crap, I didn't even see him. I beat my high score. I think I'm going to end it here. It's a mini little Let's Play. It's not going to be as big, guys. I'm sorry. But, I mean, yeah. I'm going to actually show you right after just... These are the Let's Plays I'll be doing. I just bought Bad Piggies. I already had these 3 installed. I've already started Jetpack. My sister's been doing Fruit Ninja, Puss in the Boots. I had a Minecraft Let's Play going, but it wouldn't upload to YouTube, so I had to restart it. I haven't started it yet. I'm going to do that right after this. So, yeah, guys, hope you enjoy. Peace.